Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet flower vase design is a handmade decorative cover or container created using crochet techniques, often used to beautify or customize ordinary vases, jars or bottles. Instead of being a vase itself, like glass or ceramic, it is a crocheted piece that either covers a vase or is shaped like a vase to hold artificial or giant flowers. Here are the main types of crochet flower vase designs. Crochet vase covers, a crochet sleeve that fits around a glass jar, bottle or ceramic vase. Often made with lace patterns, granny scars or textured stitches, adds color, charm and a handmade touch. Crochet only vase, standalone, made entirely of yarn with a structured pattern, often stiffened with fabric strass, glue or a plastic insert, so it can hold its shape. Used mainly for artificial or giant flowers, not real water-based arrangements. Mini crochet vases, small decorative pieces for tabletops, shelves or gifts, often paired with crochet flowers instead of real ones. Crochet vase with embellishments, decorated with crochet flowers, ribbons, beads or lace edging. Why people love them? Eco-friendly, recycled jars or bottles. Customizable. Choose colors, stitches and patterns to match on decor. Adds a cozy handmade charm to the space. Here are some extra tips for crochet flower vase designs that can help you make them more beautiful, practical and versatile. Design and pattern tips. Choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn works best because it holds shape and does not stretch too much. For a softer boho look, try jute or hemp yarn. Play with stitches. Use lace stitches like shell stitch, V-stitch or pineapple patterns for a delicate look, or textured stitches like bubble or popcorn for a bold effect. Use color blocking. Crochet the vase cover in 2 or 3 colors for a modern touch. Add crochet flowers. Sew or attach small crochet roses, daisies or leaves directly onto the vase cover for a floral theme. Include edging. A scallop or peacock border at the top adds a finished and elegant look. Practical tips. Stiffen for shape. If you make a freestanding crochet vase, use strass, moth-post or gelated glue to stiffen the yarn. Place it over a balloon or plastic mold until dry. Fit over jars or bottles. Repurpose glass jars or plastic bottles. And crochet a sleeve to fit snugly. This way you can use real flowers with water safely. Make removable covers. Instead of attaching permanently, make the crochet cover like a sleeve you can slide on or off for washing or changing styles. Add a liner for standalone crochet vases. Put a small glass or plastic container inside so it can hold water and fresh flowers. Secure with ribbon or twine. Tie a bow around the neck of the vase with ribbon, lace or rustic twine to finish the look. Styling tips. Rustic farmhouse style. Use neutral yarns like beige, cream or grey and pair with giant flowers, lavender, wheat or baby's breath. Vintage cottage style. Try pastel crochet covers with lacy stitch patterns for a soft, romantic look. Festive decor. Make vases covers in holiday colors. Mini vase sets. Crochet a few small vases in different colors and group them together on a shelf or dining table. Gift idea. Pair a crochet vase with handmade crochet flowers as a long-lasting gift. What crochet flower vase design really is. A crochet flower vase design is both functional and decorative. It blends traditional crochet art with modern home styling. It can be a cover for an enchanting vase or chair, or a standalone crocheted vase, often stiffened to hold its shape. Usually used with artificial, dried, or crochet flowers. If you want real flowers with water, you place a hidden container like a jar or plastic cup inside. Types of crochet vase designs. Vase covers. Slip-on crochet sleeves for glass, ceramic, or metal vases. Are flexible, washable, and easy to change. Ideal for recycling old jars or bottles. Freestanding crochet vases, entirely made of yarn and shaped like a vase. Stiffened with glue, straws, or resin. Work based for dried or crochet flowers. Mini decorative vases, small, dainty pieces used for table setting gifts or dollhouse style displays. Crochet baskets, vase hybrids. Water bottom designs that look like baskets but styled as vases. Design elements, stitch patterns, lace stitches like pineapple, shell, or mesh. Give elegance. Textured stitches like cables, bubbles add richness. Colors, soft pastels, equal vintage cottage style, neutrals for farmhouse chic, bold brights for modern boho. Embellishments, crochet flowers, applique leaves, beads, ribbons, or lace trims. 5 people use crochet flower vases. Handmade touch adds warmth and personality to a home. Eco-friendly, reuses jars, bottles, or even tin cans. Customizable, you can match colors with seasonal decor. Gift idea pairs beautifully with handmade crochet flowers for a lasting bouquet. Styling ideas in home decor, farmhouse look, neutral crochet cover over a mason jars filled with dried lavender or wheat. Cottage style pastel lacy vase with crochet daisies or roses. Minimalist style solid colored cotton yarn vase cover in white, grey, or beige paired with pampas grass. Festive touch. Techniques for beginners. Start with a simple cylindrical cover using single crochet or double crochet stitches. Try granny square vases covers. Assemble squares around a jar. Practice lacy stitches once you are comfortable. Use a trace or moth post to make a freestanding vase stiff. Crochet technique tips. Mix yarn textures, combine cotton with jute or add metallic threads for sparkle. Use gradient yarn. Ombre yarn creates natural color fade, giving the vase a soft, artistic touch. Try open work patterns. Mesh or lace stitches let the glass jar peek through, creating a layered effect. Experiment with shapes. Don't limit yourself to cylinder, tie, flatted tops, hourglass shapes, or square bases. Add handles. Crochet teeny side handles to give a basket-like charm to your vase. Decoration tips. Attach crochet appliques. Little hearts, butterflies, or stars can be sewn on for themes. Decoration tips. Attach crochet appliques. Little hearts, butterflies, or stars can be sewn on for themes. Use buttons or beads. Sew beads into the pattern for sparkle, and add wooden buttons for a rustic look. Ribbons and lace. Thread a ribbon through the stitches and tie a bow at the top. Layered covers. Make 2 different covers, on lacy and solid, so you can change them by mood or season. Add a rings or tassels, a boho-inspired touch at the bottom of the vase. Styling and display tips. Cluster different sizes. Crochet a set of small, medium, and large vases to display together. Match room themes. Use colors that coordinate your living room, kitchen, or bedroom decor. Pair with crochet flowers. Create a full crochet buckets to keep in the vase, long-lasting and washable. Seasonal rotations. Pastels for spring, reds for summer, earth for fall, and white or silver for winter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!